Welcome back to Viperrspit, and I'm back with another Bitcoin update. So the last time we discussed Bitcoin, we were around 83, 84K, and I did mention this bull flag here, or this cluster, which we broke out of, and currently we sit 10K higher. So congrats if you took the long signal from that video, but now I do feel like it is time to pay attention. So currently, we are showing some weakness on the 4 hour here. You can see that Bitcoin is struggling to get above this 95.5K level, which is acting as some resistance. However, we have now reclaimed this yearly open successfully. So chart wise, it would make sense to just bounce off the yearly open, then resume higher. But at the same time, we are coming into a key level with SPX at $5,600, and on the mid-time frame we can see signs of weakness for Bitcoin. So if you look here, if I just draw this trend line here, you can see where the weakness starts to lie, and I'll just put one here as well just to highlight this weakness. So we are getting an ascending wedge, and unless we are able to break out this wedge successfully, or this flag, by doing something like this with some strong volume, I don't think we're going to go higher just yet. And if we lose this level here at 92K, we are likely to see 89, 88K. So we could do something like this. And the next level you want to look out for is this one here at 89K. And below that, we could see 85K. So those are two levels to look out for should we start to break below this yearly open and this 4 hour EMA cloud. And if we go on a daily time frame, you can see we were quite explosive from this daily level here, and currently the daily level lies around 88K, which I did mention. And what we want to see now is a test of 99K if we manage to break above this 95.5K level. So 99K is the next big level, and is also a psychological level as well because of that 100K region. So I do expect a tough fall here should we get to this level anytime soon. However, guys, on the high time frame, I am still mega bullish for Bitcoin. As I've mentioned to you guys already, we have the Pi cycle top indicator from when Bitcoin was launched in 2010. And you can see here the 350 daily MA times 2 signifies this green line. And every time we've gone parabolic, price has absolutely smashed through this green line here. So you can see here, for example, when Bitcoin was just around 19, 20 cents. You can see here again when Bitcoin was around $15. You can see here again when Bitcoin was at $100, and here again when Bitcoin was at $1,000. Here again when Bitcoin was around $20,000, and here again when Bitcoin was around $60,000. And we are yet to break through it at this moment, but currently it lies at $154,000. So should we flip the 111 daily MA, which is the red line here, which is currently acting as some resistance at 94K, we should easily see $154,000 for one Bitcoin very, very soon after. I do believe once we flip this level here, and once we can get above these all-time highs, I just think we'll just go parabolic, and Bitcoin dominance should rise from there as well. So you can see here, guys, I've drawn on my targets for Bitcoin, and I do expect us eventually to find some support within this region here, where we might range before going further up or down from here. But I do believe, for me, this is fair value for Bitcoin in the next 1 to 2 years, provided we are still in a bull market. And on the weekly time frame, I do like the Bitcoin price action a lot, and this is why I do believe we are still in a crypto bull market despite this choppiness. So as I mentioned many times, unless we get 2 or more weekly consecutive candle closes below this level here at 76k, and right now at 74k even, we are not in a bear market. So this is very significant going forward. So it is very possible that we can retest 84k here, but even dig deeper to 80k and still remain bullish. Okay, so that's also a possibility. So don't panic if you come into this level. As you can see, this level has provided many returns for those who were confident enough to buy when we came into it. So you can see here and here as well. And you can also see here as well. So 3 times this level has proved significant in the uptrend of Bitcoin, and I don't believe that should stop right now until we get those consecutive weekly candle closes below this level. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know where you think Bitcoin is going next. Of course, as I mentioned many times, 140 to 150k is my target. And when price materializes, I will reevaluate these targets. But as you can see here, guys, with that Fibonacci, this is a good target for Bitcoin. So you got 109k, 126k, 147k, 170k. Then we got the ultimate target of 207k. But should price lie here, I will be very, very happy, and you would have doubled your money from that big dip should price start to trade within this region. So do you like the video? Do subscribe and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates.